Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious flan, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 4 large eggs, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 can of evaporated milk. Don't forget 1 cup of granulated sugar for the caramel, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Having these ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Next, let's create that beautiful golden caramel layer. Melt 1 cup of granulated sugar in a saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly until it transforms into a rich, amber liquid. Be careful, as it will be very hot. Quickly pour this molten sugar into your baking dish. Swirl the dish around to ensure the bottom and lower sides are evenly coated, forming a perfect base for your flan. Now for the creamy custard. In a large bowl, whisk 4 large eggs and 1 extra egg yolk until they are just combined. Then, slowly incorporate 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk. Stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For an extra smooth texture, strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into your caramel-coated baking dish. Finally, it's time to bake our delicious flan. Place your flan dish into a larger roasting pan, then carefully pour hot water into the larger pan, reaching about 1 inch up the sides of the flan dish. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 75 minutes. Once cooled, chill the flan for at least 4 hours. Then, invert it onto a serving plate and prepare to enjoy this delightful dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.